Hey guys, it's Jenny Silver, and today I want to talk to those of you who are trying to land freelance work. If you're trying to book freelance jobs, Upwork and Fiverr are two of the most popular sites used to book freelance work. I'm going to walk you through some of the benefits of both Fiverr versus Upwork so that you understand which website might be the best fit to land your next freelance project. In addition, I'm also going to walk you through a few key steps that can really impact your success on each platform. First, let's talk about Fiverr and Upwork and how you can use them. Fiverr and Upwork are both platforms where freelancers can create a profile in order to land their next job or project. Fiverr gets its name because it is known for its low rates. Freelancers can create a profile, post their services, and users can search for the services that they need and purchase those services right away. Fiverr caters mostly to one-time projects. Freelancers post their services along with a price tag and samples of their work, and clients who are searching for that service can then purchase it immediately. While Fiverr does host a wide variety of types of services and freelancers, it is also known more specifically for its creative services such as graphic design, animations, voiceovers, writers, etc. It is free to sign up for Fiverr and you can have unlimited sales. In terms of fees, Fiverr charges a flat 20% fee for all sales. In addition to that, anytime you withdraw money from your Fiverr account, they can charge you up to $3 to withdraw funds depending on the method that you use for payout. Upwork's platform is slightly different. While it is also a platform for freelancers to land jobs, it has a slightly different model. In most cases, Upwork offers higher paying opportunities and the opportunities to work with clients on long-term projects. Freelancers have more control in who you work for because the clients are not directly purchasing their services through a buy now button. As opposed to Fiverr, where clients can immediately purchase a service from you, on Upwork, the freelancer can search for projects and bid on specific jobs. They can submit a proposal to the company or client, and they can have more selection in terms of who they work with. Upwork is free to join, but you are limited to 60 connects per month and additional connections can be purchased. Upwork, on the other hand, charges a variable percentage rate according to how much you have worked with a particular client previously. Upwork charges 20% for the initial $500 that is billed with the client. After that, there is a 10% fee for lifetime billings with the client between the amount of $500 and $10,000 worth of work. And if you work with a client and bill them over $10,000 worth of services, then Upwork will charge you a 5% fee. Now, once you have chosen a platform which is right for you, or perhaps you're creating an account on both sites, next I want to highlight for you a few key steps that are really going to help you to have a profile that stands out and land more jobs. First, you're going to create branded elements to use across the platform as well as social media, blog, and any other places where you choose to use them. You want to try to create a brand for your services. So you are going to create things such as a logo, visual aids for services, and samples of your work displayed in an aesthetically pleasing way. Canva can be used to design these for free, and they have a variety of different elements, designs, stock photos, etc., which will come in very handy as you're designing these marketing materials. Next, create other sites and social media accounts that utilize that same branded content that you just created to create more of an online presence for your brand. Now, when you first start off on these sites, you are not going to have any sales or reviews logged yet. It's extremely important that you start off your profile on these websites with a polished, branded look, and that you have multiple different links that potential clients can click through to get a better sense of who you are, the services you offer, and begin to build trust in you. Creating other accounts such as an Instagram, a LinkedIn, a Facebook page, Twitter account, or even a blog and a website, if you're able to do so, will strengthen your brand and will allow clients who are considering booking your services to build more trust in you. Research other profiles in your niche. You are in no way going to be copying someone else's exact services, description, titles, and pricing, but it is important to get a feel for exactly what your competition is on these platforms, what similar services are charging, how many sales they are getting, and exactly what is selling on these platforms. Next, you're going to create your profile. Use target keywords that clients will be searching for in your profile, service title, service description, and anywhere else where you can fit them in. This acts like a search engine, and anyone who is searching for a specific type of service is going to have a specific type of phrase that they're going to be entering in to Fiverr or Upwork's search field. You want to know what your target clients will potentially be searching for and try to tag in those long tail keywords into your title, your descriptions, and anywhere that you can put those tags. Next, try to answer some frequently asked questions that potential clients may have about your services or within your profile about your work. Being detailed and specific in your information will help someone put trust in you, narrow down that you are in fact a good fit for them, and will make your portfolio stand out from someone else on the platform. Next, I want you to try to use your existing network to get a few initial sales and reviews on these platforms. When you first build your portfolio on these platforms, you're going to have 0 sales. It's going to be a little bit difficult to land your first sale in many cases. If there is someone else within your niche that has a significant number of sales and good reviews, then a client might opt to purchase their services as opposed to yours. If you have within your network of either past clients, friends, family, or anyone else that you know that is looking for the type of service that you offer, consider trying to see if they would be willing to purchase a service from you on your platform and leave you a review. Next is think through your marketing plan for your services. Now, creating a profile on Fiverr or Upwork can land you jobs just in that organic amount of traffic that is being brought to you by those leads searching for those services on the platform. But you are going to be much more likely to be successful if you have a simple marketing plan in place for your services. Free ways to market yourself can include utilizing social media, creating a blog, and tagging the title, text, and images with keywords that clients are searching for, and utilizing Pinterest to pin both your services as well as your blog posts can help to drive traffic over to your site. In terms of licensing, fees, taxes, and bank accounts. So click the links in the video description down below to learn more about being a sole proprietor and to learn more about being taxed as a sole proprietor. Okay, you guys, I hope that was helpful. Please click like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. Now, if this is your first time being self-employed, then I want to make sure that you head over and watch my sole proprietor